Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside.
Install your new AQ1087 filter
with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the glove box by relatching the hinges. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.